Popular social media vlogger, legendary Lasco, believed to have committed suicide. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. Popular social media influencer Shauna K. Gale, known as legendary Lasco, is believed to have committed suicide in an apartment of a female lawyer in New Kingston, St. Andrew over the weekend. The police believe that Gale, a 20-year-old student of Beacon Avenue address in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, committed the act sometime between 8 p.m. on Independence Day, August the 6th, and 8 a.m. the following day. Reports are that Gale was last seen at home of the lawyer. She was later discovered with a bottle of rum and pills in a room and a piece of electrical cord tied around her neck. In one of her videos posted to social media, she shared a little about her life story and what it was like for her growing up.
So, my topic of the story will be why I am who I am. So people always ask, you bi, why you bi, you gay, why you gay, you les, why you les. All of them questions there. So here is the answer to all of these questions, okay? So question number 1. Am I a lesbian or a bisexual? I am not a bisexual. I usually flirt with a lot of guys. But no, I am not a bisexual. I am whatever I am. I don't really do labels, to be honest, but if I should do labels, I would be gay. So I only date girls. Second question, are you a STEM, stud, femme, whatever the question is? No, I am none of the above. Again, I do not do labels. But if I should label myself, I should be a STEM, I think. Yeah, it would be a STEM. A STEM is a person who just both ways. Yes. So I'm not a butch. I'm not a femme. I'm not whatever. I would be a STEM. My sign is Harris. So anyways, why am I gay? I'm gay because sad story. We gotta get a tissue for this one. Sad story. So the story to this is because I got pregnant when I was 14 by a stranger. Nope, that's a lie. But that's a joke. That never happened. That will never happen. You will never ever live to see that happen. No. So the reason why I am actually gay is because I just attracted to women. I cannot stop it. They are so attractive. So that is just my explanation for it. Okay, question. Why my name myself Lasco? Because it's a case where, do I even need to talk about this? Do you not see this? This is the Lasco flavor. This is totally Alaska right here. Can you not see the snack? Anyways, it wasn't me who named myself Lasco. It was my ex-best friend from high school. So I was playing netball at one day and I wanted Lasco, so I asked my coach to mix Lasco for me, and he never want to mix it, and my team was winning, you see me. So but I need Lasco because I was getting thirsty and I don't drink water at training. I only drink Lasco at that time. So he never mix it, and then I start cry up on the court like my legit. I run and I catch the ball and I ball for Lasco, and I'm like, why I do that? Why I do that? So anyways, during the celebration and everything, she jump up and she be like, Lasco, and I was like I just look around and I'm like, why am I just look around? I don't name Lasco. And she just gave me the name after that, and my whole team call me Lasco, my whole school know me as Lasco, and I usually attend LTMI. So everybody there know me as Lasco. So that is how I get the name. And Don't ask me what flavor Lasco I am. Listen, I don't come in any flavor. You take me as the flavor you want me to be, honey. Period. So, yes. So, next question was why I dress like a boy and why I dress like a girl sometimes. Listen, I grew up with 3 brothers and 1 sister at the moment. Yeah, at the time when I was growing up, 1 sister, and then like when I reach around, I don't remember, but when I reach around primary school, my little sister come along. But my big sister I grew up with, my mom usually just was like twin. So it was like at this moment, if we're going to Spanish Town, I would wear the skirt today and she wear the pants today, and then tomorrow I'll wear my set of jeans and then she wear the skirt. It's like we always are doing, so it's like mommy don't buy a directly skirt for me or a pants for her. She always buy us both like the same thing or the same amount of stuff. So we always are doing, so it's like we just always a switch up, switch up, switch up, switch up. So me growing into that mentality is like it just feel good knowing that I can just like girl today and later or tomorrow I can just like a boy and it just look So yeah, I just always I do it and I just know me I do it like I always I do it. And I remember one time when I was living with my grandma, I give away all my girl clothes. I was like, I want to be like a boy. I want to dress like a boy. So all of my boy clothes them in the drawer. And then I went along and I get new clothes. And then I throw away all of the boy clothes them and be like, I want to dress like a girl. I want to be all girly. I want to be all sexy and everything. So it's just me. That is just my personality. But then I realized that I don't want to be none of the above. I just want to be me. And being me is just both ways. So that is just me, isn't me? Yeah, so the next question is why I have so much piercing. As you can see in my recent videos, I don't have even any tongue ring nor nose ring and all those stuff. I've been taking out piercings since lately. Because them keep on a swallow my tongue ring ball and then them come out and I don't know. So one cock up and then I end up just take out the next one. And my nose ring, I did have to take it out for a work interview and I don't put it in back. So that is just it. But why I did have so much is like I like piercing, I like tattoos, but I'm trying to stop. I'm legit out. But that is the reason why I usually have having so much piercing because I really like them. Like, and I feel so down not having them because it's like I not be myself. It's like, at the end of the day, I'm grown, you know. Like other day, someone said to me, "Why you don't having any your nose ring?" And I'm like, I'm grown. That was when I was a kid. Maybe some other time me pierce my nose like one time or whatever, but not now. Who am I? I am just me. I am just Shauna K, living their life, not worrying about nothing. If I'm too worried, I speak to myself. Anyways, and yeah, please don't ask me why I'm gay. It's not my fault to be gay. I mean, it's not my fault for these ladies looking so fine and I'm attractive to them or they're attractive to me. Nope, it's not my fault, honey. It's just whosoever make them easy, make them too fine and the man them not treat them good, and then the woman have them eyes for the next woman like me have my eyes for the next woman. Yeah, so why not me treat her good or she treat me good? Period. I don't need to be all up in a man for say yo. No, that not gonna happen. No. You're not gonna ever see that. I'm too lazy for that. And if you see me run a male, don't say yo, me and them there. I don't find man legit attractive. I don't find them attractive. If I tell you that I like you, is a point where I like you as a friend or you know we could vibe, but it's not a vibe where we're going to be in a relationship. Hell no. That not and I've been like I get so much hurt in my young age from men and all these things, so I think that's one of the reasons also why I don't really find him attractive. And if you don't know, a few poems are on my Instagram page. They're about me. I wrote them and stuff, so you could just read and know all the little shit them I'ma go through. For no say you, oh, she really don't like man because of this, that and that. Yeah, isn't it? But otherwise, my day just a be me. And I want everybody else to be themselves. Don't try to be like somebody else because you can never ever please somebody. Never ever. If you don't please yourself, you can never ever please somebody, and you never ever go good enough for somebody else. So just be yourself, love yourself, and have respect for yourself, and just know say yo, yeah, do this because you like it or you love it. That's all I'm going to tell you. So I think this is the end of my story because I don't really have a lot to say about me because I am me and I am just really natural and don't have nothing much to say.
The popular social media influencer was known to perform pranks, act out skits, and posted regular on TikTok and YouTube under the name Legendary Lasco. Many of her fellow vloggers posted condolences message on TikTok videos in her memory. The St. Andrew Central Police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.